It's time to learn English. Ағылшын пәнін оқитын уақыт келді. Hello my guys, how are you today? Open your copybooks and write now date. Today we have new saying describing appearance. Адамның сыртқы келбетін сипаттау. So, I want to show new vocabulary. Read and repeat after me. Big, ұзын. Big. Small, кішкентай. Small. Short, қысқа. Short. Tall, ұзын. Tall. Skinny, жіңішке. Skinny. Old, кәрі. Old. Slim, сымбатты. Slim. Fat, толық. Fat. Funny, күлкілі. Funny. Ugly, ұсқынсыз. Ugly. Young, жас. Young. Pretty, әдемі. Pretty. Handsome, көрікті. Handsome. Beautiful, әдемі. Beautiful. Now we will do the exercise. Use the new words and match them with pictures. Okay, are you tired? Let's do body exercise. I think you will like. Видеоға қарап, қайталаймыз.
Let's start with our heads down. Now look slowly up. Hands on your legs, shift side to side.
I got this feeling.
Now hug yourself.
In my bones.
Now kind of hula hands.
Those electric wavy
Other
when
side.
I turn it on.
Repeat the whole thing.
All through my
Shift.
city,
Hug yourself.
my home.
Hula hands.
Flying up, no ceiling when we in our
Now here comes Timberlake. And
Got sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my
now heel
feet.
drags.
Feel that hot
Flick.
blood in my
Flick.
body.
Other side.
It drops.
Timberlake again.
Can't take my eyes off it, moving so phenomenally.
And heel drags.
Unlock the way we rock
Other
it,
side.
don't stop.
Now shimmy back and front.
Everything goes.
Front. Stomp your right foot.
And
Swoop back to the front. Let's shimmy again. Going back, front, back. Stomp your foot 4 times. Slide front. Here comes scissors hands. Scissors. Axle, left. Now point, point, axle to the right. Scissors over here. Axle left. Point. Do the dab. Freestyle. Axle. Freestyle. Axle right. Here comes Timberlake. Go. Heel drags. Other side. Timberlake. Heel drags. Here comes those shimmies again, going back and front. Stomp your foot. Swoop front. Do the shimmy again. Going back, front, back, front, or swoop front. Scissors, again, this side. Axel. Point. Axel to the right. Now scissors over here. Axel left. Point. Do the dab. Freestyle. Axel. Freestyle. Axel to the right. Freestyle. Axel. Freestyle. Do the dab. Timberlake. 4 times this time. I repeat. 1 more. Now, freestyle. Do your favorite dance. Keep going. Now, start getting close together. And pose.
Балалар, жаттығу жасап бітсеңдер, енді өзіміздің жауаптарымызбен тексерейік. Okay, guys. Next task. Please open your workbook. Exercise 6, page number 13. Look at the pictures and complete the sentence. Балалар, бұл тапсырманы орындаған кезде Students Book'тағы 6-шы тапсырма 23-ші бетке қарап орындаймыз. Не істеу керек? Суреттерді қарап, суреттерге байланысты сөйлем құрайсыңдар. Homework. Learn new words. The lesson is over. Goodbye.